Hello students, in this video I want to show you how to find our benchmark reading packets, the ones that we would normally use in class. I realize that now students logging in is a little bit different than probably what I've shown you. So I'm going to show you that you first log into Schoology. And when you get to this page, we know to go to Courses and over to our class. From here, benchmark is reading, so we'll click on the reading links and we will head down here to benchmark. When you click that link, it's going to bring it up here. And since you're in Schoology, it brings up your actual Schoology page, which is really nice. I'm going to expand it and make it a little bigger. And then you're going to go over here to your library. When you click on that, it says welcome to your library. Now, for what reason I'm not sure, is here in the library, it gives you the Spanish versions of Benchmark. So you're going to want to click here at Benchmark Advanced, not Benchmark Adelante. And then from there, we are grade 3. And so now you can see whole group texts and resources are right here at the top, which is awesome. And right now we are in Unit 6, Making Decisions. When I click on this, it'll open up this page. We don't need to have any kind of customization, so no. And then here, we're able to read or listen to our text. Up here is the play speed.
Essential question. What helps us?
I'm sorry, this is the play speed. We can slow it down or put it in the middle.
Solve problems. Short read 1.
Now let's slow it down even more.
Remember to annotate as you read.
The Fox and the Geese by the Brothers Grimm.
That's a little slow for me. I can go back here and then it says annotations on. So that means you could actually write in here if you wanted to and then print it. And yeah, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, don't forget you can email me and I will get back to you with any answers I may have. Thank you.